5 tricks to drive her crazy in bed. Hey, what's up, friends and fans? Welcome to Cyclogy. When you start a relationship, there is always a certain fear that things will not work in bed. When you are for longer in it, falling into a sexual routine also generates insecurity. The question we always ask ourselves is, does she like it? What could I do better? Although these insecurities will always be there are a number of tricks that can greatly improve your sexual relationships and help you make her crazy in bed. Number 1, kiss her well. Not that there is a way to kiss better than others, but take care of the kisses. Play with her, change the intensity, caress her. Even if you have been married for 20 years, a good kiss will always be the best way to conquer a woman. Number 2, talk dirty to her. For both preliminaries and when you are on the subject, heating things a little always comes well. Whisper in her ear what you plan to do with her. The same for her if things are more aggressive or even obscene. Look at her reaction to know what she likes and what not. Number 3, look for her weak points. We do not pay attention to places like the hip, the collarbone, the neck, or the thighs, but well kiss and caress can drive your partner crazy. The classic weak point, ear, neck are also effective, but do not always repeat the same. Here have we come to play. Do not forget. Number 4, fulfill her fantasies. Women are not given much usually to reveal their fantasies. Even so, when you gain confidence, it's easier to begin to understand them. The same thing is as basic as doing it in a place of house or crazy things. Do it public, costumes, bondage. But if you really want to drive her crazy, do everything. Number 5, understand her. This is the most difficult and most necessary. When you have been with several women, you find that each one enjoys intensely different things. There are no two women alike. You will end up adopting everything: preliminaries, how to kiss, masturbate, ask yourself what she likes, and so will she. Therefore, the main thing to make her crazy and bad is to keep in mind that sex is a form of communication and mutual enjoyment, and you have to adapt to each other. Do not forget that what she likes is as important as what you like. If you have that in mind, you will drive her crazy in bed. Please tell us your opinions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.